Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a like. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today we're taking a look at responsibletravel.com. This website is a fantastic resource for those seeking ethically conscious travel experiences. It offers a curated collection of trips and accommodations that prioritize sustainability, community engagement, and environmental protection. Instead of simply booking a standard holiday package, responsibletravel.com connects you with tour operators and lodging providers who are committed to minimizing their impact on the planet and maximizing the benefits for local communities. Browsing the site, you'll discover a diverse range of options, from wildlife safaris that support conservation efforts to cultural immersions that directly benefit indigenous populations. The platform emphasizes transparency, providing detailed information about each trip's sustainability practices. This allows you to make informed decisions about your travel plans, ensuring they align with your values. Responsibletravel.com goes beyond just offering eco-friendly tours. They champion a broader philosophy of responsible tourism, advocating for fair wages, local sourcing, and cultural preservation. By choosing to book through this platform, you're actively contributing to a more sustainable and equitable travel industry. They offer experiences that are not only enriching for the traveler but also beneficial for the destinations and communities they visit. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through the various travel options, filtering by destination, activity type, and budget. Whether you're dreaming of exploring the Amazon rainforest, trekking through the Himalayas, or simply relaxing on an eco-friendly beach, responsibletravel.com offers a wide array of choices. Furthermore, the website features informative articles and resources that delve deeper into the principles of responsible tourism, offering valuable insights for conscientious travelers. This platform is more than just a booking site, it's a community of travelers and operators dedicated to making a positive impact through tourism. By choosing responsibletravel.com, you're not just booking a trip, you're investing in a more sustainable future for travel. So, if you're looking for a way to explore the world while minimizing your environmental footprint and maximizing your positive impact, I highly recommend checking out responsibletravel.com.